Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel XANAX. Today we have a brief review on XANAX. It is available in 0.25, 0.5 and 1 mg of potency. It is a product of Pfizer company. Now we would discuss the active ingredients of it, which is actually Alprazolam. It belongs to the psychoactive drug class of family called benzodiazepine, which is mainly formulated for the treatment of depressive, anxietic, psychotic disorders. Now come to the chemical structure, which is actually a fused benzodiazepine structure, and its IUPAC name is 8-chloro, 1-methyl, 6-phenyl, 4-hydrogen, 1,2,4, triazole, 4,3-A, 1,4 benzodiazepine structure. Now we will discuss its antidepressant mode of action. So it increases the activity of gamma-aminobutyric acid, an inhibiting neurotransmitter, which decreases the brain activity. Now the structure of gamma-aminobutyric acid, which actually consists of 5 subunits. Alpha subunit responsible for hypotonic anticonvulsant activities. Alpha 2 subunits responsible for anxiolytic and muscle relaxation. Alpha 3 subunits responsible for amnesia. Alpha 4 subunit responsible for mode disorders. Alpha 5 subunits responsible for muscle relaxant. So the alprazolam binds to all of these receptor subunits and regulates these all activities. Now turn to its usage and clinical application. So this drug is used for the treatment of anxiolytic disorders, social and panic disorders, tension, stress, depression, phobia. It is also recommended for the treatment of tremor, palpitation, tachycardia and sweating. Now turn to its dosage. Starting dose is 0.25 mg. Take it before an hour of sleep. Overdose causes physically and psychologically addiction. Now turn to its precaution. Don't stop it taking abruptly and don't it used for more than 6 months. Now turn to its side effects. It include blurred vision, suicidal thoughts, memory loss, change in libido and weakness. Now the contraindication. So the pregnant women, lactating women and the women of renal and kidney failure don't use it without physician prescription.
So that's all about these medicine, and if our video is informative for you, so please acknowledge our efforts and don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Allah Hafiz.